So we have here a Ford Ranger XLT. What year is this?
2002.
A 2002 Ford Ranger XLT that's been modified several different ways. But obviously the first thing that you see when you look at this is that it's got a lift kit.
It's a torsion bar lift kit with 33-inch tires.
Okay.
And Pro-Comp wheels.
Oh, nice. Okay, very nice. And then just walking around the truck, you can see obviously that the exhaust has been modified. What would you call that, Taylor? What is it?
Snorkel.
Oh, a snorkel. Okay, so that's so you could go into water, mud terrain and such. You don't have to worry about your engine bogging out. Very nice modification there. And then of course up top we have some additions of some racks. Anything you can tell us about the racks?
There's a high lift here.
Okay.
With a basket.
Okay.
And there's a LED light bar,
KC LED light.
30-inch, works very well.
Nice. Nice. And this rack back here?
This is Thule regular bars.
Okay.
With the Tepui tents. And this is the Ayer. And they're made in Santa Cruz, California.
Very nice. All right. Cool. So and then I want to show them what you did here to the back, to the inside here real quick before we. So here the back has been not exactly modified. I think it's been added to be honest. And so I think what you were telling me, Taylor, was that it used to be just, you know, all this was not here. It used to be just your spare tire back here, is that correct? So then you decided to kind of add to that, build this nice box type shelf here that fits right into the bed of the truck, nice and carpeted too. I like how you did that. And then on top of that, not only that, but he's added these killer slide out drawers for storage. Look at that. I mean, that is exactly what you want here. And also we have these compartments here on the side here and over there for extra storage also. And then you say, Taylor, this can easily be removed, right? If at all possible. I like that. What's that for? That's just a handle? Just
tie down the water.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, I love the way those windows do that. That is so cool, man.
This is where the spare tire is.
Oh, look at there. See there?
You can put more gear around here and over there.
What a nifty idea. Very good. So just when you think the modifications have gotten to be all you can do here. Oops, pushed that in too much. There's also a tent. Did you say that?
Yes, a tent will flip out.
No way, I can't believe that. So the straps come off.
Straps come off. And the zipper is right here, protected.
Oh.
All the way around.
So that's just the cover. And you just ordered that from that company?
Yeah, it all comes with one. The whole thing comes in a kit.
Okay.
But you can buy replacement covers.
Look at that. That is nifty.
Comes with 4 holes for the awning.
All right.
For the little windows.
Okay. I like it. Nifty. So I see here too, you kind of added a bracket for an antenna for your CB radio. Is that right? You guys communicate on that while you're out there?
Yes, yes.
Heck yeah. 4-wheel drive, of course. Drives real nice, Taylor.
Oh, thank you.
It does drive real nice. Good brakes too. You got good brakes on there. Must be fairly new.
Relatively new.
Yeah, they feel like they are. Got some.
Just put these down so it doesn't rub.
Cut into, yep. We got oh, I got a good shot. Check that out. No way. How'd you like to sleep up there, Christy?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Ladder comes down. Look at that. Locks into place.
Does it have a weight capacity? How much weight you can put on?
Yeah, 300 pounds on top of the topper. The whole tent weighs about 96 pounds.
96 pounds, less than 100 pounds.
Yeah.
Wow. So I'm telling you, that is so cool. All right, got a little back, looks like a back flap there. Maybe like a back window or something. Undo the flaps.
This right here is the rain flap. It's all waterproof.
Waterproof or water resistant, like tent material.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you ever do you have to put some of that rain guard on it to kind of?
I haven't.
You haven't. It's probably something. It's a maintenance thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Well, what does that stick into there? It just sticks. There's a.
Yeah, there's a little bitty hole.
Oh, check that out.
Frame.
Okay. Yeah. Oh man. And then the one on the other side. That is so cool. Oh man. And look at that. Nice rain guard there. And you gotta do the same thing to the other side. You got some on the front too?
Yeah.
Undo the flaps.
And this is the window one.
Okay. Side window.
There's also holes.
It's funny, you gotta remember, you gotta call this the side.
Yeah.
I mean, with the truck, that's really the back, but it's not the back, that's the side.
Mm-hmm.
And the front's over there where the ladder is. Look at that. That there. Perfect. Did any of your buddies have this too?
No, my friend Zach, my groomsman,
Yeah.
he has a topper one that flips over.
Ah.
So it's a full tent.
Okay. I like that thing. That is super cool.
And this is the door.
That's awesome, man. I love it, Taylor. That is awesome, man. That is so neat. Okay, great. So what about this side?
It'll do the same size.
It will. It'll do the same thing,
side.
but that's a little bit more of a hassle since you have to climb on top of the roof and all that. So just imagine this doing the same as all of this. So that comes out too. And I guess these two flaps up here, there's like just vent holes basically. Is that right?
Vent holes, and open the windows. I'll show you the windows.
Okay.
Here's the door.
Okay.
There's two zippers, right? For one there and one over here.
All right.
It just rolls up.
Okay, and it's got a screen there too.
It'll keep all mosquitoes and all sorts of bugs out.
That is awesome.
This one
Oh, you got a little cushion up in there?
I have a 3-inch mattress.
Okay.
Foam mattress.
Right. Okay. Flip that up there and let me let everybody have a look inside here real quick.
Window real quick.
Okay, go open the window. Nice windows, screen windows also. Got a nice sturdy, looks like a fiberglass type bottom.
Yes, fiberglass and aluminum.
Fiberglass and aluminum, okay. There's your windows open there. You can see the bars that are coming across aluminum, lightweight aluminum bars that are used to support the tent. And a nice lightweight aluminum ladder. And this is adjustable, right? So no matter what your terrain is or whatever down here. And that also helps support, of course, underneath here. And so let's have a look inside here. Get up in there. Oh, look at that, man. Oh, look at this. Huh? Huh? What are you talking about? Oh man. Okay. Kind of tough to show you around here, but it's nice and cool up in here too. So what we have these bungees here. I guess that's just to kind of
support it whenever you collapse it.
Okay.
You can take those off.
Okay.
When you're sleeping in there.
Or you can utilize them.
Yeah.
Okay, I see you got some hooks just to hang whatever on, and got a nice pouch here for anything you want to keep in there. Got another one over here, another pouch there, and another side window. I can feel the cross breeze coming through here. It feels great. And coming this way too. And of course, it's kind of tough to tell. Got another window here, which isn't opened, but that's okay. You can see there's two more pockets here and there that support, that you can use to hold any small items that you want to keep.
Up that hole.
There's a hole there. They just cover that up there. And this is where I'll be sleeping tonight. No, this is really nice and it's roomy. Definitely, you know, enough room comfortably for two people, I would say.
Oh yeah.
Definitely one person is very comfortable. But I know it's kind of hard to see with this camera since I'm rolling around in here. But this is really awesome. All right, I'm gonna edit all this stuff out, but that's pretty comfortable too, man.
Oh yeah.
Do you add any more cushion to this, or?
I think this year I'm going to.
Yeah.
'Cause I've had it for 3 years and it's starting to.
Well, you know what we did with our RV is you can go online and order a memory foam and have it cut to the exact size you want.
Okay.
And there's different thicknesses you can buy too.
Okay.
An exact cut.
Yeah, that's
And it
good.
rolls up, you know, real tight too. So that's what we did in our RV. But
yeah, that's a good idea.
yeah. So I love it.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Sleep up off the ground.
It's easy to get in and out of, too. Very easy to get in and out of. And you know, you had this up, you know, 5 or so minutes.
Oh yeah.
And it's ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is really cool. That's what is that? How do you pronounce that?
Tepui.
It's Tepui Tents, Santa Cruz, California, and it's TepuiTents.com is where you find these. They come in different sizes, I guess.
Oh yeah.
And for different vehicles. Did it come with the rack too, or is it just?
No,
it's
the full tent, and it comes with these, so
it comes with those mounting brackets there.
you can adjust into whatever rack you have.
To whatever rack you have. I like that. Like that is so super cool. Well, anything else to add to that, Taylor, that I've missed? Oh yeah, the winch. Yeah. Like, got a shovel right there, boy. Ready for action. A worn wrench. What's the capacity of that, Taylor?
It's the VR8
Ooh wee. All this, you had to add all this bumper?
Yeah.
Obviously.
Put all this on myself.
Oh.
Affordable off-road.
Okay.
And
From a
bottle opener.
A bottle opener on the winch, yeah, in case you get thirsty while you're winching yourself out of a mud hole or something.
There's a heavy-duty skid plate there.
Oh wow, man.
That's from RCI Off-Road.
Okay.
By Fort Collins.
Okay. That's, you put a lot of work in this vehicle.
Oh yeah.
And I don't blame you for not wanting to sell it.
Yeah.
Heck no, because there's something different. You can take your little RV out and all that. That's all nice, but when you start taking this out, there's just something totally different about it. You can take that places you can't take RVs, and then the backpacking stuff you can still get into too, you know, and go places where this can't go.
Yes.
So you have all your options covered as far as depending upon how you feel and what you want to do.
Yes.
Thank you, Taylor, for showing us this truck. It's great. This is the, what year was this again?
2002.
2002 Ford Ranger XLT that's been modified to the bone. All right, everybody, Kelly Corner. See you later.